Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. For the last 5 lectures, I have been discussing about the algebra basics. As a part of the discussion on algebra basics, in the last class, we have decided how to divide a function fx by another function phi x, and we have practically seen how to do it using synthetic division method. In this lecture, we will be talking about analyzing about the quadratic equation, how to factor the quadratic equation which is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. A, B, C are arbitrary numbers, we need not worry what are the numbers. These are all arbitrary numbers, A, B, C. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation given. We have to factorize it. How to factor? I will explain the procedure, how to factor it. And as per the question given in the examination, you should be able to adopt this procedure. There are many procedures. I will give one of the procedures. Please adopt that procedure and find out the factors for this particular equation, and from then we can find out the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I will give you examples 1 or 2 for quadratic equation, and how to factor it I will explain. This will be useful for CBSE class 10, 11 and 12. This will be useful for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and Maths Olympiad. The basic of the algebra, class 10, class 11 and class 12. Try to find out the procedure. Let us go further. What is the question given? Factorize the given equation, quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Don't worry about the coefficients a, b and c. They are arbitrary. They can assume any value. We have to find out the general method. Now, I will explain the procedure and give 1 or 2 examples. Then you can expand your concepts on that and do for other examples whatever you have in your hand. Solution: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Divide both sides by a. Divide both sides by a. Please follow step by step procedure. Then it will be converted into x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0 by a, that is equal to 0. That implies x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. The given equation is converted to this equation by dividing by a on both the sides. Can we write this in the form for factorization? X plus p into x plus q is equal to 0. Let us try to write this way. That means my equation becomes x square plus b by a into x plus c by a becomes x plus p, because I am factorizing, into x plus q, that is equal to 0. Then can I expand this term x plus p and x plus q? It is only a procedure, a good procedure. X square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to x plus p into x plus q. How do you expand? X square plus px plus qx plus pq. That implies x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to x square plus p plus q into x plus pq. Now you just see, there is an x square term here, x square term here. Compare these two, they are same. Compare the x terms, here b by a and here p by q. Compare the constants, here c by a and here it is pq. That means by equating the coefficients of x square, x and constant on both sides, what we get? P plus q is equal to b by a and pq is equal to c by a. This is the answer. Hence, from this we can find out p and q. From these two equations we can find out p and q. How to do it? We will take an example and try to solve it. For example, I will take, this is the procedure, x square plus 5x plus 6. This is your factorize. This is an example. Please see. Don't go too much in-depth analysis. We will do the analysis of quadratic equations afterwards. In this lecture, I am only concentrating on the introductory quadratic equation, how to factorize it. That's all. Now, I want to factorize this quadratic equation. Now you just see. X square plus 5x plus 6, I am writing it as x plus p into x plus q. That implies x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x square plus p plus q into x plus pq. From this what I have got? By comparing the coefficients of x, because x square coefficients are same and constants, I get p plus q is equal to 5 and pq is equal to 6. That means we have to find out some value of p and q such that product of them is 6 and sum of them is 5. Can you just imagine anything like that? Because product is positive, both numbers should be positive or both numbers should be negative. Because sum is positive, both numbers cannot be negative. Hence, you just see conditions. Analysis. Please try to understand. PQ is equal to product. That is equal to positive. That means greater than 0. Implies either P and Q are both positive or P and Q are both negative. These are the only two possibilities. Second, P plus Q is equal to sum. That is equal to positive. That is greater than 0 because it is plus 5. It is plus 6 product. Then P plus Q cannot be negative. Both cannot be negative. Hence, P and Q cannot be both negative. Because both are negative means this condition is nullified. Hence, this particular condition is not accepted. Hence, the final condition is P and Q both are positive. This condition is correct. Now, what are the conditions we have got? P and Q are both positive such that P plus Q is equal to 5 and P into Q is equal to 6. Can you imagine some numbers? Let P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 2. It satisfies both the conditions. Or P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 3. These are the two possible solutions. That implies x square plus 5x plus 6 can be written as x plus p into x plus q, that is equal to either it will be x plus 3 into x plus 2 or it can be written as x plus 2 into x plus 3. This is the solution. Let us take another example so that you will gain confidence. Let us take another example. Now we are able to factorize the given equation. Now, another example is 5x square plus 13x plus 8. Let us factorize. This is the equation given. This is the equation given. Now, solution 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0 can be written as x square plus 13 by 5 into x plus 8 by 5 in 5 is equal to 0 by 5 is equal to 0. Can we write like this? I am taking an equation, quadratic equation, I am factorizing it. I am making that quadratic equation to 0, some function x is equal to 0. Now we are trying to solve it. X square plus 13 by 5 into x plus 8 by 5, can it be written as x square plus p plus q into x plus pq? Just see, p plus q is equal to, from this, 13 by 5 and pq is equal to 8 by 5. In this case also both are positive. Sum is also positive, product is also positive, implies p and q are greater than 0. 13 is nothing but 8 plus 5. P plus q is equal to 13 by 5 is equal to 8 plus 5 by 5, that is equal to 8 by 5 plus 1. If I assume p is equal to 1, then q is equal to 8 by 5. Then p plus q is equal to 13 by 5 and pq is equal to 8 by 5. Then x square plus 13 by 5 into x plus 8 by 5 can be written as x plus p, x plus 1 into x plus 8 by 5. If it is equal to 0, then the above can be written as x plus 1 into 5x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is what is the, if you expand, this is what is the answer. That means the given quadratic equation, you make it to x plus p into x plus q, express it and make it to equal to 0, then compare the values of coefficients on both sides and you find out the sum p plus q and you find out the product p into q for x plus p into x plus q. Then you write in this form, equate it to 0 and convert into this form. Then we can easily write 5x square plus, what is the question? 13x plus 8 is equal to x plus 1 into 5x plus 8.